Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm The Natural One and this is another seedling update video. You guys, look how my zucchini and watermelon is doing. They are really hanging in there. The zucchini is trying to produce zucchini, which is good, and I saw a flower on the watermelon. The radishes are doing good. It's still flowering. The winter squash is also doing well. Coming up next is the cauliflower. You guys, look how well my cauliflower is recovering. Now we have the herb garden. You guys, I'm waiting for the tomatoes to get ripe so that way y'all can show you a salad from my garden, but I don't know. Now let's move on to the ginger. It's just a quick shot. Up next is the tower, which consists of eggplants and different types of peppers. Now we have the tomatoes and onions. I'm so excited about my 2 pollinated tomatoes. Now we have the tomato paired with basil. The basil is doing really good. If you made it this far in the video, please subscribe, and for more videos like this, click here.